If you're spending thousands on skincare and your face still feels dry, irritated, and not even improving, there is a chance that you have been damaging the most important part of your skin, which is your skin barrier. And trust me, I learned this the hard way. Hi beauties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Doria, and on this channel we are all about beauty, motherhood, and a little bit of lifestyle. I used to pile up product after products, acid, scrub, serum, even homemade mask. Hey, the one I found online, like the one that even happened to me was when I was starting out on my skincare journey. I said, okay, well, I saw this mask, turmeric mask. It's going to help to control oil on your face. That's what I saw. I decided to try it out. Oh my God. Immediately I applied that turmeric on my face and I rinsed it off. My face was very reddish. Like I didn't even know what I was looking like. I could not come outside for 2 days. My face was so irritated and redness wanted to finish my face for me. I said, what is this? Who sent me? That was even what pushed me to start being intentional about my skin, to start knowing what to apply on my skin and making research on the best things, or to knowing my skin type and all of that. I have made that mistake and I don't want you to. That is why I'm making this video. Now let's start with what is this skin barrier, because you might be hearing you have break your skin barrier, skin barrier, skin barrier, and you don't know what it means. Let's start with knowing what it means. Okay, skin barrier is the outermost layer of your skin. It's like a protective shield that is made up of lipids, that is fat, ceramides, and skin cells. What is the function of this skin barrier? Number one, it locks in moisture. It keeps out bacteria, toxins, and irritants. It prevents dehydration. It helps your skin to stay smooth, calm, and even tone. So imagine you break the skin barrier. So all these things is broken. You can't achieve all these things if your skin barrier is broken. So now let's look at the signs that your skin barrier is damaged. When you have constant dryness, even after you've moisturized, your skin barrier is broken. When you have redness or inflammation, when your skin is burning or stinking when you are applying products, when you have breakout or even texture that wouldn't go away, when your skin is very sensitive to the products you use to tolerate, when you have flaky patches or you have a tight feeling skin. These are some of the signs of a broken skin barrier. So if you are nodding to any of these, oh my God, girl, your barrier is crying for help. Now let's move on to common mistakes that can damage your skin barrier. Number one is over-exfoliating. You see all this thing that they will tell you, please over-exfoliate. Exfoliate your skin 2 to 3 times a week. You know what you are doing? No, it's because of your skin barrier. Number one, because anything that happens to your skin barrier, there's nothing that you do that will work. Also, when you use different acids, peels, scrub, only you on your face, your skin will, in fact, your skin will scream for you. Let me tell you, your skin needs only 1 or 2 exfoliating products per week. If you have sensitive skin already, please just stick to 1 first. Okay, don't just apply different acids and scrubs and peels on your face in a week. Oh my God, please don't do it. Number 2 is keeping moisturizer. Even oily skins need moisturizer. Even if oil is dripping out from your face like this, you still need moisturizer. Because trust me, even when your skin is more dry, it will produce more oil. Yes. The third mistake is when you are using harsh cleansers. Just like me, that before, I will be using salicylic acid cleanser every day, morning and night too. And I'll be saying to myself, yes, this is going to make my skin to be so clean, because when I finish using salicylic acid cleanser on my face, my skin will now be so squeaky clean and dry, until I found out that I was actually doing myself more harm than good. It's not somebody that said I should switch. So please, don't use harsh cleansers. Don't use exfoliating cleansers every day on your face, okay? When you continue using exfoliating cleansers, like salicylic acid cleansers are exfoliating cleansers, when you are using it every day on your face, every day, you're doing yourself more harm than good. In fact, your skin barrier will be gone. The fourth mistake that a lot of people make is layering too many actives. Why are you layering retinol, vitamin C, salicylic acid, lactic acid? Please now, pity yourself. Please, I'm begging you, pity yourself. Because trust me, if you keep on layering all of them at once, your skin will definitely retaliate. And when it retaliates, it's actually leading to broken skin barrier. And you don't want that. Please, don't layer too many actives in one routine. Use one at a time or two at a time. Fifth mistake that a lot of people made, that even me, I did it as well, was ignoring my skin type. Yes, product is for oily skin, and you know you have combination skin, you have dry skin, and you're using it. Product is for sensitive skin, and you're using it for oily skin. That means you want the breakout to finally finish you. When you learn your true skin type, that is the key to, in fact, that is the foundation of skincare. That is the foundation of your skincare routine. You need to know your skin type, so you know which products to apply and which product to buy and how to layer your skincare products. Okay? So to avoid unnecessary issue on your skin, that we are done with the mistakes, let me walk you through on how to repair your skin barrier. In case if you have a broken skin barrier, you know, or you feel like something is off, let me tell you step by step how to repair your skin barrier. The first step is for you to pull out everything, stripe your routine down, just bring out everything. Just remove everything and go back to the basics. Just go in with a gentle cleanser. Look for gentle cleanser like this First Fact Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. If you are trying to repair your skin barrier, this is your go-to cleanser, okay? Get this. It is actually for all skin type. It contains ceramide, okay? It's even written here, skin barrier complex. So go for cleanser like this. If you know that you want to repair your skin barrier, you need a gentle cleanser to start with. Then you go in with your hydrating toner. You can use the Aqua pH balancing cleansing toner. You need a hydrating toner that is lightweight like this, you know. Hydrating toner like this is very okay for you to use. Or you can, this is another hydrating toner that is cheap and that is more affordable. This XBC aloe vera hydrating face toner, you know. So when you are done with your face cleanser, your gentle face cleanser, you go in with a hydrating toner. You need to keep your routine as simple as possible. You need to go in with a barrier repair serum. If you don't have barrier repair serum, you can just go in with your hyaluronic acid, you know, or you can also go in with your ceramide serum. If you can get a ceramide serum, it will work well. Or even a ceramide toner, or even an essence, you know, a ceramide essence. It is actually going to help as well with moisture. Then you go in with your moisturizer, your face moisturizer. When you are done with your face moisturizer, you go in with your sunscreen. Okay, you go in with your sunscreen. So you see how simple it is. You cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser, you hydrate your face with a hydrating toner, you apply your barrier repair serum like your ceramides, then you go in with your moisturizer and your sunscreen. Okay, always make sure to apply your sunscreen. Okay, it's part of building back your skin. Now, step two is for you to focus on moisture. Yes, this is where you need to really focus on moisture. You need to focus on products that are very rich in ceramides, niacinamide, pentanol, you know. It's really going to help to repair your skin barrier. So even when you are getting just like this hydrating cleanser, even when you're getting this hydrating cleanser, you see it already contains ceramide. You see, it contains ceramides, you know, 5 ceramides plus hyaluronic acid plus oats. Okay, so you make sure that your products are rich in ceramides, niacinamides, you know, or you can even get a niacinamide serum as well when you are trying to repair your skin. You need a niacinamide serum, and if you're just starting out, you can start with 5% niacinamide serum and work your way up to 10% as time goes on. Okay, but you have to get products that are rich in these three, because you are focusing on moisture. Step three is the hydrating layering. That's what they call sandwich layering. So when you want to layer, maybe you want to apply your hyaluronic acid serum, you first of all make sure that your skin is damp, you know. You spritz your face with your toner or even normal water before you go in with the next moisture rich products. That is hydration sandwich, you know. You spritz your face before you layer the next product. You spritz your face with water or toner before you layer the next products. Okay, the only part that you will not spritz your face is when you want to apply your sunscreen. You don't have to spritz your face before applying your sunscreen. But if you want to apply your serum, you spritz your face. You want to apply your toner, you spritz your face, you apply your toner, you spritz your face again, you apply your serum, you spritz your face again, you apply your moisturizer. Okay, step four is for you to protect with SPF. Just like I said earlier, you cannot say that you want to repair your skin and you are not using your sunscreen. Oh my god, in fact, you're just wasting time if you do this. Even when you do the hydration sandwich and you don't lock it up with your sunscreen, you're wasting time. Get a sunscreen, a good sunscreen that you can be using on your face. Step 5 is for you to cut down on actives. Yes, you have to, in fact, completely stop all exfoliants. Stop all chemical exfoliants and slowly reintroduce them once you know that your skin is calm. Your skin is actually coming back together. Then you can slowly introduce your chemical exfoliants again or any actives that you're using. But cut all actives. Vitamin C serum is an active, retinol serum is active, salicylic acid is active. Please focus your energy on moisture because you're trying to build back your skin barrier. So you need to focus more on moisture and not actives or acids. That doesn't mean you should not exfoliate your face. You need to exfoliate your face with only PHA. What do I mean by PHA? If you have not watched the video of how to exfoliate or chemical exfoliant for different skin type, I will leave it in the description box or I will put it as an end screen. So you go and watch that video so you understand better how to use your chemical exfoliants. Okay, so that way you're going to know what is PHA because I'm not ready to mention it in this video, but you have to use your PHA. This is when PHA is very important. You use your PHAs as your exfoliant, okay, and do it once a week. Step 6 is for you to be very, very consistent. Yes, you don't do it today and you leave tomorrow. It's only going to take like 4 to 6 weeks, if not even 8 weeks. Okay, it depends on your skin type, so it can take 4 to 8 weeks before your skin can even be normalized. Okay, so it's not a rushing thing. It's not something that you can do in a week. It takes 2 months. Okay, before your skin can come back to normal. So you have to give it time, be patient and be very consistent. Now let's move on to the last part of this video, which is how to maintain a healthy barrier. First, you have to listen to your skin. Whenever you're using a product and it stings or it shows one kind of reaction, please stop immediately. Don't continue and do akboroka and do I can it's my skin. I can do whatever I like. Eh? When it will be done on your eyes, when your eyes will clear, you regret yourself. When your skin tells you, please, I don't like this thing, please obey it and leave it alone. Okay, stop using that thing. That is why most of these skincare brands, they will tell you to do a patch test before you go ahead and apply any products on whichever part they want you to apply the products. Okay, they will tell you to do a patch test like here before you go on to apply any products. So you don't know more than them. They're the one that produce that product. Okay, so if your skin tell you no, even when you do the patch test and you see that this thing is not working, don't go and say, let me now try it on my face, it's going to work, or try it on my body, it's going to work. You will see me. Number 2 is for you to introduce actives one at a time. Actives are like your vitamin C, your retinol. You need to introduce it one at a time. Don't pack all the actives and apply it on your face or on your skin at once. No. Number 3 is for you to hydrate inside and outside. Okay? Hydrate inside out. Don't hydrate only out and leave inside. Drink lots of water. Hydrate your skin. Always make sure that your skin is properly hydrated and moisturized. When you are getting skincare products, get skincare products that will really moisturize and hydrate your skin. Number 4 is for you to avoid extreme temperature. Some people will be doing, I'm cold, I'm catching cold, I'm catching cold, hey, I'm shivering, I'm this, I'm that, and you go and use hot water and be washing your face or washing your skin. Number 1, you are calling dryness, so you are calling damaged skin barrier to come and locate you. So please, don't use extreme hot water on your skin. When you want to use water, use lukewarm water to wash your face. Last but definitely not the least is for you to not chase trends. Yes, don't chase trends. Just because it's trending doesn't mean that your skin needs it. You can get it now and your skin will become worse. You use it and your skin will regret knowing you. If you know that you are already using a product or some products and it's really working for you, please just stick to that product and don't stress yourself about getting other products and doing too much. So if you know that you have been battling sensitive or irritated skin, I think you should look into your skin barrier. Okay, start with your barrier and trust me, it's actually a game changer. It will actually help to bring back your skin to life, So let me know in the comments, have you ever damaged your skin barrier? What products really helped you to heal? Let me know in the comments, okay? And thank you so much for watching this video. do well to subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on all the amazing videos I'm bringing to you on this channel. And I'll see you in my next video. For now, bye.